Good morning, children.
Good morning, madam.
How are you? How are you, everyone? Okay. Now, today topic is
My body part.
okay. Izhan, what is this? Very good. Mahin, what are these? Ryan, what is this? Vinita, what are these?
Yes.
Zunaira, what is this? Shanvika, what is this? Umeza, what is this? What is this? Very good. Clap your hand, everyone. Okay, thank you.